Checking out the DCA 20-volt cordless drill. Now this one has two unique features that I noticed right away. Really quite a lot of accessories that come with this kit. We'll talk about that in a minute, but the features I noticed right off the bat is that it's compact, it's a lightweight drill, and you get that 20-volt power. So when you pull the trigger, the light comes on, and this is one of the unique features of this. The light is actually down near the battery, and so that shines up towards your work, just where you'd want it to. Most of the drills I have, the light is actually here, and it just creates a harsh shadow. It almost doesn't help you, so I really like the layout and where this light is placed. The other super unique aspect of this drill kit is the charging system. Unlike most drills that have a big bulky charger, this one is really slim and low profile, and it actually plugs directly into the battery. So that just makes it super easy to refresh things for the next project. Of course, there's a lot of other features that you would expect on a modern drill, like the keyless chuck and different settings on that. There's actually 18+1 settings, meaning there's 18 different torque settings, plus a drill setting that won't limit the torque on that, as well as a 2-speed gearbox up top to really control your work. I find switching bits on this is super easy, and it's just a nice keyless chuck, works as expected. Okay, let's talk about some of those accessories. You have short bit selection here. There's even drill bits included, nice selection of drill bits. There's a wall-mounted bit holder for a common reversible Phillips and flat bit there, a little longer bit on that. The one that I have in the drill, and probably the one I use most often, is this short extension, and that one receives all of these short bit tips, and that works really well. And then finally you get this flexible bit extension, and that's just handy for a number of applications. And the bit tips are even magnetic, so they stay nicely secured into that extension. Okay, we'll test the power of this drill. I'll put the clutch on the 16 setting and number 2, or the high speed. And we'll drive these 1.5-inch drywall screws with no pre-drilling. See how that does. Oh, just like nothing. Really good power on that, and that 16 out of 18 torque setting seems to drive them just perfectly flush. Nice. And then just twist the clutch to the drill setting if you don't want it to be limited on your torque for drilling. Nice and powerful there. Really the only potential negative I could come up with is this doesn't come with a hard case, but for me that was just a non-issue because I tend to keep mine in the top drawer out in the shop. I'm just using a cordless drill so frequently, and I love that rubber overmolded grip. So with this DCA 20-volt cordless drill, I really like where the light is positioned. It seems to shine right where you need it, unlike most drills that I have. So nice feature there. And plus that charging system is just so simple. So I would definitely recommend this DCA 20-volt drill.